When we think of antique hardware, we often focus on the pieces themselves, but behind every knob, hinge, and lock is a story about where and how it was made. Many small towns across America once thrived as centers of hardware manufacturing, shaping the industry and local economies. Today, we're shining a light on these forgotten capitals of hardware production. In the 19th and early 20th centuries, hardware manufacturing was a vital part of America's industrial growth. Towns like Pittsfield, Massachusetts, Middletown, Connecticut, and Elyria, Ohio, became hubs for producing high-quality brass, iron, and steel hardware. These communities built factories that employed hundreds, sometimes thousands of workers dedicated to crafting everything from cabinet pulls to door locks. What made these towns special was their combination of skilled labor, access to raw materials, and transportation networks like railroads and canals. This allowed manufacturers to produce hardware efficiently and ship it across the country. Many of the designs and innovations that shaped American hardware originated from these industrial centers. These towns weren't just manufacturing hubs. They were communities built around the industry. Company towns grew up around factories, complete with housing, schools, and shops for workers and their families. Hardware production was woven into the daily lives and identities of these places. Over time, changes in manufacturing, global competition, and economic shifts led many of these towns to lose their industrial base. Factories closed, and with them, a once thriving hardware industry faded from the spotlight. Yet, the legacy remains in the antique hardware pieces collected and restored today. The story of antique hardware isn't just about the pieces, it's about the towns and people who made them. By remembering these forgotten capitals, we honor a vital chapter in America's industrial and design history. If you'd like to explore antique and reproduction hardware from these storied regions, check the description for links to all of our products featured in today's video. Thanks for watching Antique Hardware Supply, and we'll see you next time.